Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Welcome home everybody. So happy to see you here at home today. So,
What are we making?
well, we're going to do a warm salad. Yeah, it's a warm salad.
Yeah, well, okay, this is asparagus salad.
It's asparagus salad. Shall we?
Let's go.
Let's go, our friends. Hello. Yes, so we're going to be doing a fresh green asparagus salad. So, super tasty. And here is beautiful decoration. And these are the stars of the day, the green asparagus. So let me show you what you are going to need for today. So today you need a bunch of green asparagus. These are super thin. They're like super good. I'm like, whoa, so cool. Some feta cheese, and you're gonna need some pistachios, okay? And then for the dressing, you're gonna need lemon and lime, olive oil, black pepper. We're missing the salt, a little bit of salt.
Okay, sorry.
No, my fault. And some honey that, as usual, as I'm allergic to honey, we're gonna use maple syrup, but it's super good with honey.
I love this salt. We are going to use this salt.
Okay, Mediterranean salt. We'll talk about that salt. I love it.
All right.
Okay,
So what do we need? We need to put some olive oil in the pan. Right. Maybe get an apron on because this might be
Jumping.
jumping oil. Cool.
Anything else? Anyone else falling down?
If I don't know, we've got several aprons, right? So we are going. We chose the thin asparagus because they
Cook super fast.
super fast.
So, what you want to do? Let me hand it on the knife.
Right, give me the knife and
Just want to cut in small chunks, and
we'll leave this.
the tips.
The tips you
Uncut.
leave them uncut. Well, if you maybe you want, you can just leave that, but it's not necessary. Right. So let's see if this is hotter.
It's warm already. Yeah, it sounds.
It sounds warm. It is warm. Okay. And we are going to add some salt.
And once they're warm. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll be back to the asparagus so they don't burn,
Yeah.
but let's do the dressing.
Let's do the dressing. It's simple. We are going to add put together, like, I don't know, how many? 4 tablespoons?
Oh,
Oops.
that doesn't go there.
We are going to add some lemon juice and lime juice, both of them.
And the zest of the lemon.
Right. And I mean, the citrics that you're going to use are up to you. You like mixing them, but it's fine. What else are we going to need?
A little bit of pepper.
We are going to add the. Okay, let's put it here. This is a chunky lemon.
It's a huge lemon.
It's a huge lemon. Good.
By the way, Spain is one of the big producers of citruses, lemons, oranges, limes, pomegranates. No, not pomegranates. How do you say pomelo? Oh God, the pink one.
Pomelo. I don't know. Yes, I know, but I don't remember.
Okay.
Okay, so you add it here. You add some pepper. This pepper is a bit broken.
Yeah.
You add, I would say, 1 tablespoon of honey if you want, or syrup, maple syrup.
It smells so good.
Whoppa! Going to put it, yes. And I think that's all right.
That's it. salt. Asparagus
Salt.
have it, so
Asparagus have it,
bit of
maybe
salt.
a little bit, not too much.
Yeah, the feta also is salty, so you have to be careful with the salt.
Yeah. And then you shake it.
You shake it like
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Fine. And then you
I know
put-
this thing of doing it on a jar, it might not look fancy, but as you can see, it gets a little bit creamier. It gets all infused, and we love doing it this way. Meanwhile, I know while you're doing that, do I have time to talk a little bit about the
Yeah.
Mediterranean tour? So let me talk to you guys about the Mediterranean tour for this year. It is an amazing, amazing tour. We've talked about it. You know that it starts in Valencia and goes all the way to Mallorca. And we discovered the Spanish Mediterranean, the Spanish Riviera. You can find all the information on my website, travelingthesteps.es. Contact me directly and I will give you all the info about that amazing tour, dates, prices. Unfortunately, or thankfully, spots are very limited. We only have 16 people on tour, so really think about it if you're thinking about coming to Spain and discover the Mediterranean. Don't leave it too late. Okay, how are we doing with that? I know. Hold it. What? Are they almost? I think they are.
So you know what? I like them crunchy. We like them crunchy actually.
Yeah.
So we are doing well. So for me, really I like
Okay.
it. It's good.
Okay. Right.
Sorry, they're quite heavy sometimes.
Look at that beauty.
So
The pan is going to turn it off.
I know.
Oh, okay.
What I'm going to do is maybe just toast them a little bit.
Okay.
My
So,
pistachios. While they toast, I'm going to add some feta cheese.
is there anything more Mediterranean than feta cheese?
I don't think so.
So Greek, so Mediterranean, so good.
So, I mean, I really like feta cheese.
On the other side, and
And then let me get the pistachios.
you can put hazelnuts but
Whatever.
we had at home pistachios, and that's what we are eating today. With pistachios, not with hazelnuts.
But whatever. And then you can also change the cheese if you. I mean, you can make whatever variations you want to this salad.
Look at that beauty. So good.
Isn't that super nice?
It's beautiful.
Great.
It's healthy. It's Mediterranean. And it's done.
It's
So,
finished.
thank you so much, everybody, for coming today home. We wish you were all here. Unfortunately, you cannot. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Have a wonderful Sunday. Love you all. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumb up.
And send us pictures.
If you do it, thank you. Love you guys. Adios, amigos.